Hello friends, welcome back to my channel 5 Minutes Tech. This is Samsung Galaxy J8 Infinity smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can do hard reset or factory data reset in Samsung Galaxy J8 smartphone. First of all, power off your phone and wait for a few seconds. This is power button. This is volume up button. You go to press both power button and volume up button to do a hard reset. Just press simultaneously both the buttons and release all buttons. Now a menu will be open like this. Just move down to the wipe data factory reset. Use volume keys to move down and use power key to confirm. Select yes and use power key. Data has been wiped successfully. Now you go to restart your phone. Just select reboot system now and wait for a few minutes. Now Android is starting. Just wait for a few seconds. Installing all applications. Go to wait until all installation is complete. Yes, your phone has restarted. Now just use your phone and set up your phone just like a new phone. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then, goodbye.